Today we're going to learn the order of the flats in a major key. On the music the line paper I've given you, put your name at the top please, and then I believe we're on paper number 2 in our music theory notebook. So just draw a big number 2, and we will be referring to this because we got to start scheduling a couple quizzes and tests. So anyway, we're going to be doing some treble clef staff writing. So draw yourself a treble clef over here. This is my method. I'm also not looking at my paper. Right, treble clef. But I will also write a couple, the order of the flats today in bass clef, so that we can get used to seeing that as well. Okay, the order of the flats can be remembered by using this like small poem, I guess. But let me write the letters out first, and then I'll explain the mnemonic. Okay, I always learned be easy and don't go crazy, Fred, as if like you're talking to some guy named Fred. Right, be easy and don't go crazy, Fred. The order of the sharps is just the opposite way, right? Father Charles goes down and eats breakfast. So let me write this down. Be easy and don't go crazy, Fred. I want you to take a couple seconds. You can pause this video and just write that mnemonic down, because that will help us remember the order of the flats. Okay, you should have written this down. Be easy and don't go crazy, Fred. Let's continue. The order of the flats goes like this, right? You got B. If you have one flat, you're in the key of F. So I'm going to write the letter that you flatted and the key down here. You're in the key of F. Just remember that for now. Then, going along, right, you're putting B and E flat. Alright, if you've used two flats, you just go back one order of the flat, and that's what key you're in. So, so if you have two flats, go back one. Oh, you're on B flat. That means you're in the key of B flat. Okay, now we're moving on to three flats. Okay, so you've got B flat, E flat, right? B flat, E flat, and then you're going to go A flat down here. You got three flats. Go back to the second flat. You're in the key of E flat now. Key of E flat. Moving forward, we're adding the flats for the next key, B, E, A, and D. So we go B flat, E flat, be easy, and don't. Okay. If we have four flats, we just go back to the second to last flat, right? B, E, A, D. We're now in the key of A flat. Sorry, my handwriting's not very good. Hopefully your handwriting will be a little bit better than mine. Moving right along. Right, B, E, A, D. Then the next flat is G. Right, we go to the second to last flat. We're in the key of D flat if we have those 6 flats in our key. I'm going to start the next system down here. Actually, I'm going to skip this system because I got a lot of room here, so we'll draw another treble clef. Great. Okay. Now we're here. This is why, by the way, I composed using a computer. Okay, so we just finished up with the key of D flat. We're going to keep going. We got B, E, A, D, G, C. B, E, A, D, G, and C. 6 flats now. All right, we're in the key of G flat, right? Because C flat was our last flat, so we're going to go back 1. We're in the key of G flat, which is a sort of unusual key. G flat major, you usually won't see it written that way. And then finally, right, if you have all flats, B, E, A, D, G, C, F, you have B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and F flat. Okay, then you're in the key of C flat, right? Because you have all the flats, so you're in the key of C flat. If you have no flats, no sharps, right, you're in the key of C. If you have all the sharps, then you're in the key of C sharp. Right, and then that would be right, all the sharps, key of C sharp, no sharps or flats, key of C, all the flats, key of C flat. Okay, and then this is what page number 2 should look like for you. If I remember, I will try to get a couple of sharps and flat key practices in for you, but I want you just to copy this down for now. Okay, good luck.